Hi everyone, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our payroll completed chat message. So the first thing you want to do is click Get for Free to add it to your template. Then you want to go to your templates by clicking on Firm Templates and then Chats. And then you're going to want to go ahead and open up that message. Here you can see you've got your template name. The clients cannot see this, so you can name it anything you would like. Here you can choose who you want the message to send from. The thread assignee means that this is the person who's going to receive the responses from the client and be the one to respond to the client. Then you have your subject, which the client will see. This is the information, the beginning of the information that they will have for the message. And then they will have the content of the message. This you could change to your satisfaction, making sure that it is exactly what you need it to say. And once you have made any changes you need to, you can go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now, normally this will be part of your payroll pipeline, but in this instance, we're going to go ahead and show you how to send it as a new chat by clicking New Chat. Then you can go ahead and select one of your accounts. Then you want to select the template. And again, you can see your subject and the content of your message. If you've not set reminders in your template, you can go ahead and set reminders at this point. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and create chat. A way to send them in bulk is to go to Client, which brings up your account page. You can go ahead and select the clients that you want to send it to, or you can go ahead and click this checkbox up at the top and select all of your clients. And then you'll click More Actions, Send Message. And here it's going to show you that it's going to send message to those people. And then you're going to want to select templates and then select the correct template. And again, you can see your subject and the content of your message. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.